All right, guys. This is part two of the German. I got the response from them. Their fighters did not want to come up and play. I just don't understand why. So my escorts get to fly back to Holland, Belgium for another day. And flying back. All right. So now we got a tactical bomber attacking the air base and two bombers, strat bombers attacking the industrial complex. All right. So move these guys out. All right. So here is the two bombers. They have to get the flak from the facilities. So here we go. Come on, baby. Whew, that was close. Okay, now here's the roll. See how much damage they did. Oh, look at that. Two. Two. Now I get the twos. You probably would have rather had me see, but you get to add two for each one. So actually, it's six damage on the factory. Holy jeez. All right, so we'll leave this dice over here for the factory. He's got a six. All right, so here is for the tactical. I can't believe two ones. All right, missed that one. Now let's see what damage I get on it. And look, oh, you gotta be kidding me. One. I can't believe one damage on the airfield and six damage on the factory. Oh my god! And it was, I can't believe that, three ones on damage. I never seen that ever happen before. All right, so damage tokens. So one that will be on the air base. All right. I don't think I can put a number on it. I guess it don't. So just one token there, and then six on the factory. Is it one, two, three? You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dice there to represent that. Um, and I'm going to tint it a different color. I'm going to tint it a yellow. All right. Okay. I'm going to apply that yellow. And I'm going to make two of them. I'm going to clone that dice. All right. So I got a fact, and then I'm going to take one of these and put it by the factory. I guess. All right. And we'll delete that. All right. And I'm going to take these dice and see if I can shrink it. Scale it down. That's what I like. Alright, so this will be, get rid of this one. Alright, so bring these two little scale dice down. Kind of like can't see the color. Huh. I wonder if we could change the color on it. Maybe go to a different. Let's go with orange. Yeah, that looks better. I can see better. All right, so we got a dice with, if I can figure out how to get a six on it. Maybe I have to roll until I get a six. Oh, got a six. All right, so it's got six damage on the factory. All right, and the base has got one. There's a one. Look at that. All right. So your base has got a damage of one, and your facility's got a damage of six. I can't believe that roll. God, did you guys get so lucky on that? All right. So the TAC will fly back, and the bomber will fly back. All right. two. So I got two bombers, four fighters, and attack in Holland, Belgium with an AA, which is somewhere in here somewhere. Is an A. There's the AA gun. All right. So, all right. That's part two. God again.